Today for writing, we're going to be talking about the letter X. X makes a sound like a K and an S sound together. X, x, like x, x, fox. Now, of course, the word fox doesn't begin with the letter X. There are hardly any words that do. But it does end with the letter X. That's the ending sound. So let's take a look at how we make an X. The first thing I notice about the letter X is that it is two straight lines and that they cross in the middle. Kind of like X marks the spot. For capital X, you're going to start at the top line and you're going to go down to the bottom line, but you're going to go kind of in diagonal. That means like a slant or to the side. Then you're going to lift up and come back up to the top, and you're going to go diagonal the other way and touch the bottom line. Start at the top, go straight down, touch the bottom line, lift up, go back to the top, straight down, touch the bottom line. So you can work on that 3 more times for each of the capital X's. Trace, 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 right, right, right. Let's take a look at lowercase x. Lowercase x looks almost the same, only it is smaller because it doesn't go all the way to the top. It starts at the middle dotted line. So let's start there. Go down slanted this way to the bottom line, touch, lift up, go back to the dotted line in the middle, and go across this way to the bottom line, touch. You want to take your time, try to make as many, not as many, but as straight lines as you can. And then go ahead and do lowercase x 3 more times. Down here, you're going to do trace, 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 right, right, right. Also, you can get at least 3 colors and do rainbow writing inside your large, capital, and lowercase x. Remember to take your time, do your best work. It's not a race. You just want to develop the best handwriting skills that you can. Okay, friends. After you finish working on X, you are going to find this page. Whoa! So look for this page. It says S is for, and then you're also going to need this pink piece of paper. So I'm going to erase this and put the other paper up on the board. Whoa, let's do that. Okay, there we go. And you might have noticed by looking at the pink paper that we're going to be making a seahorse. So you have 2 parts to cut out. This is the main part of the body, and this is the fin. So you want to carefully cut those out on the black lines. And for your writing part, you're going to go down to the bottom. You're going to trace S. Is, that's a sight word, for, another sight word. S is for. And then you're going to make sure you leave a finger space and you're going to write the word seahorse. S. E-A together says the E sound here. And then horse. Seahorse is a compound word. Sea and horse together. The sea like the water, not like I see with my eyes. S is for seahorse. So work on this tracing. Cut out your seahorse parts. And then I'm going to go and grab a picture of what it's going to look like when you're done. So keep working hard, carefully cutting out the lines. After you cut out your pink seahorse, you can glue it in the big rectangle area up here. Carefully trace and write your words. You're also going to need some sequins from your bag. In your baggie of all the things that I gave you at pickup, you're going to need some sequins. So I'm going to erase this now, and then I'm going to put up what it'll look like when you're done. So if you're still writing, don't worry. I'll show you what that looks like when you're done. Now on my paper, I have kind of a blue or purple background. You don't need to do that if you don't want to. So here's what it's going to look like. There's your writing down here. There's your seahorse, and then I gave you some of these little silver sequins, and you're going to need like glue to glue them on. Probably not a glue stick. You're probably going to need your white glue, your liquid glue for these to stay on. So you can use your glue stick to glue on the body and the fin, but then you're going to need the white glue, liquid glue for your sequins. And if you want to, you can draw little wavy lines, like it's in the ocean. You can really decorate it however you want to. And that is your S scrapbook page. Have fun!